But this is looking better.
Jasmine, get around. Jasmine, get around. Get around.
Nice distance on her right there. Very good. Why don't you ask her for a stop like you did last time?
Jasmine, wait.
Good. And then when you're ready, tell her to get around again. Just start walking away as you tell her that. Nicely done. Just walk a little bit towards your sheep and point at them and tell her, get around.
Get around. Jasmine, get around.
Good girl.
Come on. Wait. 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 Jasmine, get around. Get around. Get around, Jess. Jasmine. Come on, get around.
Good. She's keeping nice distance on them. Nice balance.
I think when we had three, the one broke away more,
Yep.
so we had a little more.
A little more excitement. Well, I can add in another.